What's poppin', guys? I'm back with another video. I know I haven't made a video in that long, but I stopped making videos because I just wasn't feeling it, and I feel like my channel was very serious and boring. But I'm back, and I feel like I'm going to be myself again, or not again because y'all never seen myself, but I'm going to be myself, and I'm just going to have fun with it because I feel like you guys noticed that I wasn't having fun with it. Like, my views dropped a lot, so I'm just gonna have fun with it and do whatever I feel like doing. So I'm here with this ugly nigga, my brother.
Yep. Why she gotta violate me like that?
And we're gonna do something different to my channel.
Torture.
So we're going to wax each other's armpits. I got I got these Sally Hansen waxing kits, and it comes with 30 wax strips in 2 different sizes and the Azuline finishing oil, whatever that is,
So it don't burn afterwards.
So I haven't shaved my armpits in like a week.
I haven't in about 24 years.
Show me your pants. Yeah. Oh, and don't mind my hair because my hair, I'm doing a braid out, so I look a little crazy, and it's cold in the house, so I have my robe on. But yeah, I haven't shaved my armpits in like a week, and anyone that knows me knows I shave my armpits like every day, and this is the most uncomfortable feeling ever. I've been dying to wax these shits. I'm sweating as we speak.
Imagine how I feel.
Okay, so let's get started.
Baby with the rose!
Step 1. Wash area where hair is to be removed with soap and water. Okay, first we're going to trim his armpit hairs. Cause
these are hella long.
These nasty.
Don't try to play me like that.
And then we're going to wash our armpits. So we'll be right back. Alright, so we decided that he's not going to wash his armpits, but he did trim.
Yet.
Yeah.
They trim though.
But they trimmed. But I'm going to wash my armpits because he's doing mine first. And yeah. Also, if you have a problem with women and body hair, just click out of this video because, like, you're a child. But step 2, warm wax by rubbing strips briefly and gently between your hands. 3, determine direction of hair growth before applying wax strips. Why? And press on the wax strips firmly in the direction of hair growth. Alright, this is as close as I'm getting, because listen.
them bad boys.
I don't know. I really don't know why.
Are you ready?
No, I'm not.
Are you ready?
No.
Lift up your.
No, for a bit.
Lift up your armpit.
No.
Let's go.
Going. No.
Yo,
Shit, my nigga.
Shit! Come on, bro. Stop being a.
The moist hold up.
The moist hold up.
Okay, we got no.
Yo, we gotta waste the wax strip.
I'm scared.
Yeah.
I'm scared. I don't want to do this.
Oh, it's good.
It's warm. It's warm.
It's good. It's
I
good.
just smell. Shit, no!
It's too late.
Shit, my nigga, what did I get myself into?
Yo.
Tiene que ser 1, 2, 3.
Dude, live with that thing on your armpit.
Se va a poner duro eso y te
Yo. Stop. Let me rub it. I'm gonna rub it.
I'm scared. My nigga, me voy a dar una vaina ahora mismo. I can't.
Move your hand. Move your hand. Move. Can you still see?
Me va a dar un yeyo. Coño, muévete, coño.
Move your hand, nigga. Ready?
Hold up.
Hold her other arm.
No, wait. Ay, viste, no le vas a dar la patada.
No.
Hold.
No.
Y'all ready?
That wasn't that bad.
Y no se fue nada. No me diga eso.
Look at that.
Are you dead ass right now?
Bro, nothing came up. You waited too long. You started sweating and perspiring. And look at that. You about sweaty as hell.
Yeah.
You got maybe 3 hairs.
So much drama for nothing.
Okay, so clearly I'm a bitch. We're gonna try it again. So I dry my armpits and I wash them again. I'm gonna sit on my hands so I can't do nothing. Ready?
One. I don't want to hit Benny in the head. It got shit. It gotta go to my man.
I didn't get all of them.
Coño, eso quemó, coño.
I don't even think it's worth doing my other armpit on camera. To keep the book.
Eso dolió, coño.
Me imagino. Hey, look at that. Look at all them hers.
It looked good though, that part of this wax. But like, I'm real disappointed because they didn't take off like the load of it.
Yeah, for real. Unless you want to just keep doing it. I mean, you got a bunch of them.
You know, my nigga, I would, but this shit really hurt.
Don't be a bitch.
And going over the same spot.
Actually, we'll do the other one.
Eso está quemando.
You be alright.
This shit burns, my nigga.
I'm the one that's through. I don't know how we gonna warm this shit up.
We changed locations because we figured that it'd be better to use a hairdryer to warm up the wax. So we tried that on my other armpit and it worked a lot better the first time. I still have like a little bit of hair, but it's not like OD. So we're gonna use the hairdryer on him. These are my results. This one we tried again and this area is just being stubborn and does not want to come off. So I'm just gonna leave it. And we're gonna try this again with a different wax in another video. So stay tuned for that. And yeah. So we're gonna do his now. I don't know if I can do this because I can't put my armpits down. My arms down because it hurts. I don't know if I can do this. I got nails.
Hurry up, it's cooling off.
I'm trying. You got a big armpit, nigga.
Oh shit.
Oh, it ain't fun, huh?
I know how she felt now.
Ready? You ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, 0, -1. Ready? Oh.
Ow! Nigga.
It got a good amount. Wow, yours got a lot.
Shit.
Look at all the hair, guys.
Oh damn, son.
That shit hurted, right?
That hurt. But it looked clean as a baby's booty. Ooh, that's sensitive. Tender.
Yo. What the is you talking about? That's why I can't put my arms down. Try putting your arm down. Okay, never mind. You make me look like a bitch.
Ow! The glue is still on there. Just rip that shit off, bro. Don't even fucking care. Just
Nothing off, nigga. Mira todo eso está ahí todavía.
Ouch!
Eso no se va a quitar.
And my shit bleeding!
Hold on, dude. Ooh, that's how mine look.
Man, that's so much here! Look at this bitch.
We just tweezed the breast. I'm joking. Alright, since we didn't do my other armpit on camera, we're gonna do his on camera. Ready?
No, but just do it anyway con fuerza, alright? Ah, motherfucker! You gonna do the other half?
Yeah. Okay, so show them your results. So, both of us couldn't get all of our hair off. So, I feel like this just requires
a good wax.
Yeah.
If y'all doing y'all armpits,
because your armpits, or at least mine and his, like they constantly sweat.
Cause bro, I don't know. Maybe it was just the wax strips. Who knows? I ain't never doing this again.
I am, because I hate shaving my armpits and I'd rather wax them as long as they last a long time. So hopefully these last a long time. This little bit is gonna stay there because I truly don't care. It's winter, ain't no one seeing my armpits. If you guys would like to see us do this with a different wax, let us know. I'm gonna do it regardless.
See her do it with a different wax. I ain't doing it. I ain't doing it.
But let us know, cause I will do it. Yeah, I'm just gonna use a different wax and see if it works better. This was only like $6-7, by the way, so it's not bad for the price. The wax that I'm going to get is gonna be, I think, like $13, and it's like one of those microwavable ones where you have to like.
If you don't got a lot of body hair and it's not that thick, I think this should be fine.
Yeah, right, because we some hairy ass mofos.
We Dominican.
We Dominican. So yeah, you know, Dominicans are mad hairy, so.
Hell yeah. Buy this if you hairless.
If you got a little bit of hair, I would recommend. If you have a lot of hair and it's thick, don't really recommend it.
Just go get a regular wax done.
Right. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below any video suggestions. No, we don't do that.
That was comment.
Oh.
Thumbs up.
Comment down below any video suggestions or any comments or whatever you want to comment. If you want to hate.
I mean, you want to dislike the video, go ahead and dislike it. I'll find you.
So yeah. Bye guys!
And cut.